Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure Garageband recognizes your smart piano, plug it in or pair it via Bluetooth MIDI, then open Garageband and create a new piano project. Once done, select the Smart Piano Instrument preset so Garageband maps controls automatically. This saves time and aligns velocity curves. Make sure input monitoring is on and the track's MIDI channel matches the device. This first step gets signal, latency, and basic mapping right so the rest of the workflow is predictable and fast. Next, map and refine. Open Smart Controls to tweak velocity response, sustain pedal behavior, and any CC mappings your piano exposes, because these settings affect touch and dynamics. Then enable cycle mode to record short phrases repeatedly and capture multiple takes. This helps you choose the best performance. When you record, arm new tracks to layer harmonies or textures, and apply light quantization only if timing needs subtle tightening. Heavy quantize kills natural feel. These middle steps shape tone, timing. For the final pass, you'll tidy MIDI in the piano roll, trim note lengths, nudge timing, and edit velocities to preserve expression. That's how you control phrasing. Then mix using smart controls. Add reverb for space, EQ to clear low mids, and gentle compression to glue parts together, and automate volume or effects for dynamics. If you run into latency or MIDI dropouts, reduce the audio buffer, close background apps, or repair the piano. This troubleshooting tip fixes most connectivity and timing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.